Hello, Harvested here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problems with your Netflix app. So, if you have some issues with your Netflix, first what you want to do is go to the App Store, go to the search bar, search Netflix, click here, and when I got the open button, maybe you got update button, your app ain't updated, and maybe this is the issue. Most of the time this is the main issue when you don't have updated. But if you got updated and got this button open and you got some issue, I don't know, like you can't download videos or something, maybe you just need to go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, search here Netflix, and here you got Netflix settings, about, this is the versions, and reset. When you reset your basic settings, here you got the mobile data. If you out somewhere, I don't know, on some field, and you don't have the normal Wi-Fi, and you're on your mobile data, and you can't download the video, maybe you just got this turn off. And if you got this turn off, the Netflix isn't taking the mobile data we're using, so that can be the issue in here. Also, some of the settings on the Netflix that I can show you. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.